What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Chris Does Things. Today we are in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee to check out the sister park of Silver Dollar City. We're going to check out Dollywood. Never been to Dollywood before, heard amazing things about it. It's like 7,000 degrees outside. So we're going to sweat, but we're going to have a good time. Excited to have you come along for the ride. Let's get inside and take a look at everything they have to offer. And just past security, like I said, it's hot, so they've actually got signs out that say there's a heat alert. And boy, you can feel the heat coming off this asphalt. So let's get inside and ride some rides and cool down. And here we are inside Dollywood, greeted at the Palace Theater and the Dollywood sign for the summer celebration. Now you do have two options. You can either go left, which is just going to take you to the Big Bear Mountain Coaster, the Drop Tower, and the Mine, whatever they call the Mine ride. Or we're going to go to the right, see some of the snack shops, and head over to the Dolly Parton Museum. Let's check it out. Now look at this kite canopy. It's right next to like a sweet shop. This park is gorgeous. Beautiful flowers over here. Man. Now it's hard to tell, but this butterfly is massive. And from what I understand, we're going to learn a lot about Dolly Parton through these doors. Now, of course, the story is that Dolly's mom made her a coat of many colors from the famous song and the book. And here is what it looked like. And here's a collection of her guitars, such as the butterfly guitar and the Dollywood 40th anniversary guitar, which was back in 2025. Move down here. A Bobby McGee guitar, and then the Coat of Many Colors guitar. Areas for some photo ops back here. Pretty nice. Working 9 to 5. Here we've got a gigantic guitar that's doing some projections from her career. And look at this. A whole bunch of gold and platinum records. A ton of them. Now Dolly is famous for giving away books, and she's given away over 318 million books, which is insane. There she is. All right, let's go out into the park. And here's Dolly's tour bus, which I think, yeah, we can actually do a tour of. Let's go inside and check it out. Should go back here. We see some bunks. Her toilet and a sink.
And there's pink toilet paper.
And of course her shower. Oh yeah, another toilet with pink toilet paper, of course. And then a bed with a guitar and her Bible and a picture of her parents. I'm assuming that that right there is a picture of her parents. Pretty cool. All right, now we're going to roll into the next part of Dollywood. That kind of looks like we've rolled into like a scene from Back to the Future. Back here into the 1950s. Got Red's Drive-In. Let's see what's around this corner. All right, the sun is ridiculous, but inside of this building is a ride called a Lightning Rod. And it is a crazy wooden roller coaster. So I got a 5-minute wait. Let's check it out. That coaster is bananas. All right, so here we have like almost like a Disney World, those model cars that kids can drive or adults, but kind of themed to like these old like 50s style hot rod type cars. Let's do it. Now I had never heard of Goo Goo clusters until we came out here to Tennessee, but one of my favorite sodas of all time is called Cheerwine. And there's a Cheerwine Goo Goo cluster, which is basically Cheerwine flavored nougat and peanuts and chocolate. We're gonna buy this and try it. All right, here we go. Cheerwine Goo Goo Cluster. It tastes just like a Cheerwine, which is like a cherry Dr. Pepper with some caramel and peanuts and chocolate. That's delicious. Now at Dollywood, they do have a lot of make-your-own souvenir experiences. So here at the Valley Forge Blacksmith, where you can make your own knife, starting at $40 and going all the way up to $130. So apparently Duke's is the official mayonnaise of Dollywood. And of course, if we walk around the corner, we have the world's largest jar of mayonnaise. Garbage. Just garbage. All right, here's a classic Dollywood ride, Blazing Fury, which I think is going to be a roller coaster where some bad guys are burning down the entire town. What in the world? Let's check it out. So Blazing Fury is essentially Fire in the Hole in Silver Dollar City, but this is the much older version. Let's give it a shot here. So here we are at the Noodle Takeover, which is literally pool noodles hanging from the sky. But our next ride is down there at the end, the Tennessee Tornado. Here we are
I want the very
at the Tennessee Tornado.
and I'm terrified. Even though it only does one loop and after. Okay, never mind, not one loop.
Oh, maybe a loopy and a corkscrew.
I think 3 loops.
All right, that's the Tornado, and my goodness, how's your head feeling?
Not good.
It's a headbanger.
You keep whacking your head on the side.
You just absolutely get destroyed. That's a rough one. Let's go do a smooth one.
Yeah.
All right, so we're here at Lumberjacks Pizza, where we can get a Lumberjacks meat pizza for $13, the margarita pizza for $13, or pepperoni and cheese for $12 each. A couple of salads on the menu as well, and of course the butterfly cookie. And this is the festival margarita pizza with a ton of pesto on top of it. Looks pretty good though. This is going to be a cheese pizza, which also looks really good, and a pepperoni pizza with massive pepperonis. I mean, look at the size of that pepperoni next to my thumb. That's insanity. And of course, just like everything else at Dollywood, here's a cookie shaped like a butterfly. All right, pepperoni pizza. Good undercarriage. Look at those bubbles. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Soft. A zesty sauce. Very much like a Pizza Hut pizza. Let's go 7.8 out of 10. Now here's another coaster called the Fire Chaser Express, which goes forwards and backwards. There goes the train backwards right there. Yeah. That's gonna be a good time. Let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go on the Fire Chaser Express. All right, and of course, because it's Dolly Parton themed, it's gonna be a butterfly-shaped pretzel. Let's freaking go. Look at this gigantic eagle. It is absolutely huge, which probably means we should go over here and ride a ride called the Wild Eagle, which looks wild.
I'm riding it too.
Let's go. Now check out how awesome this ride vehicle is. You actually hang off the side of the track like you're the wings of an eagle. Holy cow, this is going to be amazing. It's just lovely here. It's like, I know this is going to sound stupid. It's like walking through a Tennessee town. Now, of course, no trip to Dollywood would be complete without going through Dollywood's Tennessee home. So let's climb the stairs and go inside and take a look. So this is just kind of an exact replica, of course, but this is what it would have looked like for Dolly when she was growing up. Dolly's dining room table. Check out the wallpaper. It's newspapers. Pretty crazy.
Hey, welcome back, brothers. Tell me, how was the ride? Awesome. So glad you enjoyed it.
This ride literally goes up here.
Article on the bins on your way out, and when I'm making with your 90.
This is gonna be wild. What are we eating?
Watermelon slushy.
A watermelon lemonade slushy. Is it good? Yeah.
Comes with the watermelon.
It comes with a slice of watermelon. That's amazing. Got a beautiful bald eagle back here. Look at him. Now, for whatever reason, Big Bear Mountain has been closed all day today. So we're not going to be able to do that one. But look at these bears. What a fun ride. And here we go. This is some spinning acorn ride. I don't know the name of it. We're going to go up the pole, spin around, come down the pole and spin around. I don't want to hear any jokes in the comments about spinning around on a pole. So at the very last second, they opened up Big Bear Mountain Coaster. So we're going to do it. Oh! Now check this out. There's fireworks while we're waiting for Big Bear. Crazy.
That's hot.
Let's freaking go. What a close to the day. Dollywood has been amazing. Oh my gosh, we have a drone show happening now. It's a jar full of lightning bugs. Share the light. Okay, this is a wild end to our day at Dollywood. Let's go. I mean, literally, we're going to be on this roller coaster.
Welcome to Big
The
Bear.
fireflies are going out of the jar now.
You must be 39 inches to ride. Adventure